Have you ever wanted to prevent a machining operation from being calculated or changed? Let's take a look at how version 31 makes this possible by locking operations. Okay, if you look at our CAM tree, you can see we have a 2-axis feature already loaded. And within that feature, we have a pocket operation. To prevent the pocket operation from being calculated or changed, if we right-click on the pocket operation, we can go down to where it says Lock Unlock Operation. When you click this option, there'll be a padlock next to that operation, and if we try to recompute our toolpath, you'll see that's no longer available. Now, if you want to unlock an operation, just right-click on the operation and choose Lock Unlock Operation.